Hello, my dear viewers. Um, I think there's some problem with the microphone. Can you hear me? Okay, now I think it's better. So let's go to this live stream again. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Yes, I am trying to test this sound, but I feel like there is some problem with the voice. Can you hear me properly? The sound is just not good. Okay, I have just adjusted it now. Can you hear me now? Now, yeah, now this is better. I think this is good. So, guys, this is Dukas Copy Academy. Like I was telling you, you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm your host here. My name is Rakesh, and I welcome you to this yet another webinar where we are going to discuss the price action and a little uh, support and resistance levels. Not support and resistance levels. I will say that the key levels for the inflection from where I am expecting the prices to reverse, or if they surpass that level, then there will be a good continuation from thereafter. So these levels are very important to place your trades from a long term basis, like from 4 hour and daily and weekly basis. Okay, and also you will have an idea that if you have to plan your swing trades, how you can plan your swing trades. Okay, and now you do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. I'm an independent analyst, okay, who is going to showcase his ideas here. And in the meantime, if you feel like you have any questions or any particular pair that you want me to check out, I will be very happy to check that out for you. You just have to write that in the chat box. Okay, now we'll be strictly discussing the price action and will not be talking about any news or events. And because as a technical analyst, we know that everything is already priced onto the chart, so we'll not talk about anything else. Okay, and for our discussion, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts, and we'll see what are the key levels for all the instruments that we see and how we can use those levels into our trading setups. Okay, I'll also be taking the questions from the viewers, so please be ready with your questions and ask them in the chat box. I'll try to answer your questions if you have any. And before I start the session, I must tell you that whatever I'm going to say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge, or you can say to some extent for the entertainment purpose. But please do your own research before you put your real funds online. Okay, this should not be seen as a trading advice. This video is only for entertainment or to give you an edge, information edge. Now before we begin, let me take you through the risk disclaimer, because the forex is trading on the margin money, so there is certain risk that is associated with the trading the forex on margin. All right, first things first, the US dollar index. Why the US dollar index is first? Well, it is known as the king of all currencies. So we need to know where is the US dollar going so that we can have an idea where is the USD, where is the euro going against the US dollar, then where is the pound going against it, and where are the other major currencies going against it. So anyways, now we have a bullish bias. Bullish bias will remain bullish until and unless we trade below 103.62. Now this is the daily chart. Whatever I'm going to say here right now is on the basis of the daily time frame basis. Now if you go to the lower time frames, you will have a different bias maybe, or maybe a different support and resistance, or I'll say key inflection points, because it depends on the time frame. Now like here the price was making higher highs and higher lows, and here you see already the bias is bearish. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame the bias is already bearish because it has broken a key point of inflection. You can say these are the swings that the price was making, and here after making this high the price made this low. So on the 4-hour the price is already broken through low, and I am expecting now a lower high and lower low in this one like this. Okay, this is what my expectation is, but this is on the basis of the 4-hour. But if you check this on the daily, you will not see that. You will see that the price has made this low, and after that it has made this high, and it may make some low here and then go high like this again. But this is daily. Okay, on the 4-hour it has already started making lower highs and lower low. But let's see how the things unfold. Right now on your screen we have 106.96 as the next level of interest, and on the way down we can expect 105.29 to act as a support. Actually 104.79 can also act as a support because it was a good price level in the past, and also on the way down in this candle this was the low, but ultimate swing low is 103.62, below which I will not be keeping any long position in the US dollar. Okay, with this said, let's see about what is happening in the pound. I think when the pound closed below 1.2500 psychological handle, any push towards this is seen as a selling opportunity, and the price has closed lower. Now yesterday and today the price tried to go higher but was rejected badly. You can check this on the 4-hour. The price tried to go higher but is being rejected badly. What you can do is you can create a channel here. This is called a counter trending channel. Once this channel breaks to the downside, you can be sure that okay, now the price has turned in the similar direction as the main trend. But I'm expecting the price to consolidate here a bit more before it heads down towards 1.2376. So anyways, for the Great Britain pound, 1.2499 is the resistance, and the next level of support is 1.2373. What about the euro? Well, euro has broken below this falling channel support area. This is a very bearish market structure when the price breaks below the falling channel's support area. Now this channel support area is also acting as a resistance. I think this must be in line with these lows. See, the low of this candle is 1.0694 and the high of today is 1.06 900. Okay, so this one is even lower than this one, so the price is headed lower again. I think 1.0517 is exposed in this market, although I think this can be seen as a bullish market structure shift. Yes or no? This was a swing high, this was a swing low. Swing high is broken to the upside. Can you see this like this? So the market structure has broken, so I'm expecting higher highs in this one. Let's see if the price can continue to the upside. If it continues, then the next level of resistance to the upside is 1.0885. Keep that in mind. Just yesterday the price has shifted the market structure. Now if you go to the lower time frames, maybe you can get a better entry also. Okay, yeah, the price is right now at the support area of 4-hour. From here, if the price starts going higher, or if you can go to 1 hour and create this falling channel, as soon as this falling channel breaks to the upside, you can go long. I think, I mean, this is not of course a trading advice, but you can see if that happens or not. All right, In the Australian dollar, we have not shifted any market structure, although the price is going higher. But the market structure shift will take place only and only above 0.6493. So let's see how the things unfold in this one. I'm expecting lower prices in this because the price has failed to go higher than 0.6443 and close above. If the price closes above 0.6443, we can expect 0.6493. Any trade above this will open up the way for the higher prices. Right now, I am expecting 0.6339 on this market in the coming days. Okay, similar is the case with the New Zealand dollar. After testing the level of 0.5864, the price tried to retest the higher prices, although it has failed, but I'm expecting a little rise to the upside towards 0.5954, from where I am expecting a huge sell-off. Why? Because this is a confluence of multiple resistances. Which all resistances? One is this horizontal level of resistance. Okay, second is this rising channel, not channel, but rising trend line of the symmetrical triangle, and yeah, previous supports which may be turned into resistance. So all these things combined, I think we will be having a good reason for the sellers to jump in if the buyers are able to push the prices towards 5954. Okay, in that case our first target will be 0.5864 and the second target will be 0.5774. Okay, USD CHF, it seemed like on the 4 hour it broke below this flag, but no, it has again entered that flag. Now once the pattern breaks on the one side first and then re-enters that side, that means it will explosively break to the other side. So USD CHF, I am expecting it to break to the upside and reach 0.9245 very soon. Anyways, the support area is 0.8996, the resistance is very far, 0.9245 in this market. USD CAD, upside is still open. Whatever happening right now can be called as consolidation, because the price is moving between this low that the price has created before making this high and the low that the price has made is 1.3725. Anything lower than this, I'll be looking for selling this market, but anything above this, I'll be looking for only buying opportunities, with the first target of 1.3855, second target being 1.3899, third target being 1.3978. Also notice that there is a confluence of two resistances over here. One is the horizontal level and the one is rising channels resistance area. So keep that in mind before you place any trade. USD JPY, upside is open, 159.88 is the target for us. The support is very far, 151.97. I have no trades in this one and I'm not willing to open any trade at the current prices. This is very far because we'll have a very high stop loss and I'll not be looking to open such a trade. New Zealand CAD, well, downside of 0.8065 is open. I think very soon we'll be able to accomplish that. Below that, 0.7961 will be exposed if the price trades below this. On the higher side, we have a resistance at 0.8248. This is a very clean price action. Nothing to talk about this much. The volumes are also coming good. So I think we are going to see 0.8065 very soon. Bitcoin, yesterday we have discussed that there is a bearish price action. Any close below 60818 should have opened the way to 5920, but the price went lower but has come back again very fast and is trading higher now. Well, any push next time may even draw the price below 59,200. If that happens, then 50,578 will be open and this I think double top breakdown will be confirmed. Well, double top breakdown will be confirmed even if the price breaks below 60,880. Brent, yesterday closed lower, today went lower, has come again to the same level. So I think any rise towards 88.75 should be seen as a selling opportunity in this one. Or you can do that. You can do something like that. Okay, something like this is possible in this market now. We are bearish on this market. Gold, uh, just consolidation today, no higher high, no lower low. So expect some consolidation more before the price breaks out to one side. Right now, I think this low is what will be protecting the price, and this high is what will be protecting the price. So keep an eye on this low and this high. I think we should mark that. 2431 and 2365 is a price level which will decide the fate of gold now. Sorry, not that one. 2324 and 2431, these two levels will be deciding the fate. Whichever direction price makes a move, I think we should be looking for that. But on the contrary, I'll not be looking for any selling opportunity in this market right now. Nikkei, we have lower prices. We tested that area of resistance 38093. Now again headed lower. So downside is huge in this one. Expect 35,676 in this, but not over a period of 1 day or 2 day. Maybe next week or maybe next week you can reach 35,676 in the Nikkei. This is Nikkei Japanese index. On the upside, we have a quite good resistance around 38,093 to 38,278. Eurogen, no trading. No trading. This is bullshit. Nothing is happening in this. So just stay away from this market right now. GBP AUD, an up move was imminent in this one, and the price has moved up, although on the 1 hour it seems like it is breaking this. Well, if it really breaks and moves higher than this breaking candle, then 1.9447 is must in this market. The prices can go higher, but I think the price has already reached on the 1 hour, at least it has broken. On the 4 hour also, I think it must have broken. If not, then it is on the verge of breaking. Well, I was expecting more consolidation in this before an up move. Let's see how the things unfold. I'm expecting 1.9447 to be tested again in this market. Anything that closes above that will be a good idea to go long with the 1.9510 area. CHF JPY, in the longer run, I am bearish on this one. I was expecting the market to reach this area and get rejected, and on the 1 hour at least it seems like that has happened, although it has not broken any market structure to the downside. Now what is the market structure break? I'm expecting the price to actually break lower, then come like this. What will happen if that happens? Then you see, something like this has to happen. This low has to break, and then it has to be retested before we can look for the selling opportunities. Okay, so something like this is what I'm expecting, at least on 1 hour. And on the daily, I'm expecting something else. I'll show you that. On the daily, I'm expecting the price to give us a bearish engulfing or bearish pin bar over here, and then retrace back towards 166.56 and even close a day below that, so that we can target 165.61 and maybe even 162.12 if the price keep heading lower. So right now we are at an area where we should be looking for the selling opportunities. Okay, the price has been making lower highs and lower lows, so this is what is expected in this market. Now going back to this 1 hour again, you see this, although the price has been going lower, but this move is not that energetic that is required to go and short your CHF JPY right now. Well, if the price is able to manage a close below this low, then that can be seen as a selling opportunity, or I mean that can be kept on your chart, that okay, this is an area from where you would like to go short. Right now this is not a shorting opportunity. No, if you short here, there is a possibility that the price will come down here and then boom, there can be a breakout. Yeah, so you don't want that, right? All right, so Aussie New Zealand, again very clean price action. I think yesterday we have discussed that if the price goes below this, then we can look for the selling opportunities in this market with the lower targets. Although on the monthly, this market is in an uptrend. Okay, on the monthly, this market is in an uptrend. You can see. But still, after this monthly close higher last month, we are looking for the load prices, or you can say 50% retracement at least before the price goes higher. So we check the weekly. We saw that on the weekly there are multiple green candles, and all of them were able to close, uh, I will say, in a solid with a solid move. And this last green candle that has closed above all these previous highs. So anything that goes lower should be seen as a retracement. So around 1.0844, you should start looking for the buying opportunities, because these are the previous highs that have been broken distinctively to the upside. Okay. Now, what you will be targeting? Well, first will be this weekly high 1.0971, and later on you can target above highs. But the only problem here is that there is a falling trend line from this these weekly highs, and this may stop the price when it tries to go higher from here. So you have to be watchful of this trend line that is falling. All right, guys, that's all from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. Okay, since there are no questions popping up in the chat, so I would like to wrap up this session by saying what I always say. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and in coming days. My request to you is that just remember, please do not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade in a hope to make a what, home run or something. Just risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Keep this risk management in check, and this will be really helpful for you in the longer run. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. Be here tomorrow at 1700 GMT so that we can have another session together. Bye bye. Take care.